Hi guys, this is the last day of Red. I haven't video. I don't know why, but this is our new pet. Remember Sam? He's trying to come here, but we are just disturbing him. So we found a new one, but we trapped him in a box. Where is he? Where is he? Can you see him? Just open it so that the guys can see. And he poop a lot. There he is. Uh-oh. That is getting him. He's scared. Oh, there he is. He can move. There's him. That's him. That's Red. We're feeding him biscuits, crackers. Say hello to the camera, Red. Oh, there we go. He ate it. Oh, he got a little poop. Oh, yeah. Hold on, he's sleeping. It's okay. There you go, feed him. Too big, I think. Just need a small one. Ayan. But we have to move the car out.
Huh?
But we have to move the car out to get him free. Because he might get run over. Oh! Uh-oh. Careful. Hi, Red. Daddy will show me how I will hold him. I'm trying to pet you. I don't have any food on me. They're feeding up close. Ayan. Not a fly. Ravenclaw. We got some Harry Potter stuff, so yeah. Alright. Nope, there. It's not toilet. Say hi to the camera. Oh, put him on my hand. Hello guys, but put him on my hand. Here. Here. Wait. Okay. And here's Red. Oh, beautiful. So cute. Alam, that's your last day here. Uh-oh. They don't have sharp claws. They don't have sharp claws, but it's okay. Go on my finger. There he is. I got him on my finger. Say hello to the guys. Hello. This is my last day spending here in my cage right over here. And I'll be free. Hold on. Here's something.
You alright?
Hold on, you want food? Want food? So how many year old for this bird? It's like 5 months or what?